In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all your emails on Gmail with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're trying to organize your inbox, declutter it, or achieve that elusive inbox zero, being able to select all your emails at once can be a huge time saver. So let's dive right in and make your Gmail experience a bit smoother. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by typing in www.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply type Gmail in the search bar and hit enter. This will display a list of options, the top one of which should be Gmail. Click on that link to be directed to the Gmail login page. Now, once at the Gmail login page, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your inbox. Make sure you use the correct email and password for your Gmail account. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to complete that step as well for that added layer of security. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your main inbox view. Next, you'll notice on the top left corner of your Gmail inbox, there's a small gray box. This box is your Select All option, designed to make bulk actions much more manageable. Click directly on this tiny box to select all the emails that are currently visible on the page. Now, this is extremely handy if you need to manage multiple emails at a time. After you've clicked that box, you might notice a small banner appear at the top of your emails that gives you an additional option. It says something along the lines of Select All Conversations in Primary, referring to the entire category of emails in your current view beyond just those displayed on the page. Click this option if you want to extend your selection to every email in this category. Once you've got all your emails selected, you can perform a variety of actions using the options near the top of the page. If you're looking to clean up your inbox, you might use the delete button to remove them all. You can also mark them as read if you're just looking to get rid of those pesky unread counts. Alternatively, if you're not ready to delete them just yet, archiving can store them away neatly without cluttering your main inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to select all your emails on Gmail. Whether organizing or decluttering, these steps will undoubtedly make managing your inbox far more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital life. Happy emailing!